Hi, thank you for joining me for making this tiny heart. I'm going to use a 3.5mm hook and some leftover DK yarn that I have. I'm using cotton yarn. So let's start. Let's start by making a magic ring. And then chain 2. And we will work all the next stitches into the ring. I prefer to work over the tail to secure it in place. So we start with a puff stitch. This is a 3 repetition puff, so yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up the yarn to the height of the stitch, then repeat 2 more times. Now that you have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull the yarn through 6 loops. Now yarn over again and pull the yarn through the 2 remaining loops. And now work a double crochet into the ring. Now repeat these 2 stitches 2 more times. Work 1 puff stitch, and a double crochet, now repeat 1 more time, and double crochet. I'm going to pull the ring a bit tighter so it will be easier to work into it. Now work a treble stitch into the ring. And now we will work the other side of the heart. So work a 1 double crochet and a puff stitch, now repeat the double crochet and puff stitch 2 more times. Now chain 2, pull the ring a bit tighter and not all the way, and then slip stitch into the ring, then pull the ring tight. So this is your heart. Now you can fasten off, you can attach it to a keychain, or just give it as a small gift. So this is it. Thank you.